Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and select Settings and Privacy. Now, in the search bar, you can type DEAC or DEA, which will lead you to a single option, which is this one, and just select it. And then in this page, select your Instagram account, which is the second one for me, and it will lead you to this page. So since you're looking for a temporary deactivation, select deactivate your account and click continue. And then you now have to enter your password to continue with the deactivation of your account. So I'm going to enter my password and you can see it, but it's there. So just click continue. And in this part, just select a new reason while you want to deactivate. And again, click continue. And here you just have to confirm that you want to deactivate your account. And that's how you can easily temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!